Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to sign up for WeChat without needing a friend to scan your QR code. This is a common roadblock for new users, but there are a few reliable ways to bypass it. Let us start with the Help Center method. First, download the official WeChat app on your phone. On the main screen, tap on Help Center. Next, tap on Send Feedback. Select your platform, whether that is Android or iOS, and choose your region. In the description box, simply write that you are trying to register a new account, but do not have anyone to scan the QR code for you. Enter your email address, select email as your preferred contact method, agree to the terms, and hit submit. WeChat support usually replies within a few working days with a direct link to finish your registration. However, if you want a much faster workaround that is working right now, try the payment card method. When you register normally with your mobile number and hit the QR code screen, look for an option that says Verify via payment card or Activate WeChat Pay. By entering a supported bank card, WeChat instantly verifies your identity and completely skips the QR scan. Alternatively, simply selecting sign up via Facebook during your first step can often bypass the QR code entirely, requiring only a standard SMS verification code. That is it. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct tech solutions. Thanks for watching.